No, no, leave him. Leave him.
Leave him? All right.
Leave him.
I got to go with what the wife says here. Hurry up.
Have fun.
Yeah, we're leaving the bird. It's not like he's hurting you.
I know, it just tickled.
Weakness is different.
Oh, that's a good weakness. Jamie, help me out, will you?
Looks spicy.
Come on, help me out.
Yeah, leave him alone. Leave him there.
Help me out.
Leave him there. Oh.
You had a red one.
Oh, this is going on YouTube.
Good thing I don't have any now. This thing has stripes.
What's the matter, dear? Can't even get him? You still there?
Yes, he's still there.
Turn around. Let's see the birdie. Hi, birdie.
He's biting my cup.
Once in a while. Look at this girl over here.